In the Regional Medium-Term Development Plan of West Java Province, one of the efforts made to accelerate growth and equitable distribution of environmental-based development and sustainable spatial planning is the development of Rebana Metropolitan Special Economic Zone. In Rebana, the industrial designated areas are spread over 13 places which are located in 6 regencies, namely Subang, Indramayu, Majalengka, Sumedang, Cirebon, and Cirebon City. Sanca Village is one of the villages that has projected to be the place of industrialization. Sanca Village is located in Gantar district in Indramayu Regency. Indramayu Regency has experienced an increasing trend in the poverty line and a decrease in the number of poor people from 2012 to 2020. Indramayu has the largest rice planting area and production in Rebana metropolitan area, with a population of 1.8 million people spread over 309 villages and 7 districts. Indramayu Regency is still dominated by rural areas characterized by agriculture. Based on Law Number 6/2014 about village, there are several actors who have a role in community empowerment. The village can form a BUMDes which is managed in a gotong royong value. The results of BUMDesa efforts are used for business development, village development, community empowerment, providing assistance to the poor, social assistance, and so on. This shows that BUMDesa has a role in community empowerment in social and economic aspects. The development of Cipali Indramayu Industrial Designated Area will change land use in Indramayu Regency. For that, it is necessary to study the potential for empowering rural communities in the Cipali Indramayu Industrial Designated Area. The purpose of this study is to identify the potential for empowering rural communities in the Cipali Indramayu Industrial Designated Area, especially in Sanca Village. An appropriate research method is needed to achieve this goal. The research method used in this study is a qualitative method with purposive sampling and qualitative data collection techniques. In this study, qualitative data were sourced from interview from 4 resources person named the Sanca Village Secretary, the manager of BUMDesa Kembang Motekar, the personnel section of PT CISF, and the human resources and general affairs managers of PT Sinta Indah Jaya. The study found 4 possibilities to potential for community empowerment in Sanca Village. First, development of corporate social responsibility as a program of community empowerment in Sanca Village. The implementation of CSR in every company in Sanca Village is an unwritten activity between the community and the company. The company implements CSR program as a routine. This is done by company towards the community as a form of responsibility to provide a positive impact between the two parties. Based on the results of the analysis, there is a potential for cooperation that can be carried out between government and industry. This cooperation refers to the delivery of CSR in the form of goods to government to be distributed to community. Community empowerment is the ideal method for implementing CSR program. Community empowerment through CSR can create synergy with the community in improving social welfare. Second, community empowerment through the facilitation of the provision of local power by the youth organization of Sanca Village. Based on the results of interview, that farmers often experiences losses to markets and uncertain prices. Therefore, young people choose to move from agriculture sector to other, more profitable sectors. The presence of the industrial sector provides an opportunity for local workers to improve their level of economy. The labor recruitment system is carried out through cooperation between village parties carried out by the village youth organization. The industrial recruitment process through youth organization is one of the collaboration in the form of symbiotic mutualism or mutual benefit for both parties. The youth organization act as the source of information as well as recommending local resources who have the will to work in industrial sector. Third is community empowerment through the use of industrial waste material by BUMDesa. General Affairs Manager PT Shinta Indajaya stated that the company welcomes the community to take remaining pieces of clothes that are still have economic value to be used in production. The company also provides fabrics that do not pass quality control if they want to use by the community. The material has good quality but do not meet the standard of agreement between the company and the buyer. This material can also be used by the village community as material for confection activities. This potential for BUMDESA to be used as capital in community empowerment. In addition, BUMDESA Kembang Motekar also has potential to utilize chicken manure to be organic fertilizer for the farmers in Sanca village. The last is community empowerment through the provision of industrial raw material with intermediary of BUMDESA Kembang Motekar. Indramayu is one of the largest soybean and corn producers in West Java. Indramayu has high land suitability with soybean and corn communities, but farmers are constrained in terms of product marketing and uncertainty of demand. The potential of BUMDESA to provide raw material for PT-CISF based on the production capabilities of farmers in Sanca village. BUMDESA is a legal entity that can carry out contracts with industry. This can be one of the business units developed by BUMDESA. To conclude, there is potential for village community empowerment in Cipali Indramayu industrial designated area. Based on the case study in Sanca village, the industry has a role in improving people's welfare. Existing conditions indicate that the main role of industry in empowering rural communities is to provide employment. In addition, the existing industry has also provided CSR program to the community through the government. Currently, BUMDESA and youth organizations also have a relationship with the industry in Sanca village. Further studies are needed to study how collaboration between these actors can be well established. In addition, it is also necessary to learn how to develop the capacity of BUMDESA to be able to take advantage of this existing potential.